In today's video, we're doing this brown and gold smoky eye makeup look. To start this look, I'm using the Norvina palette for the color Eccentric, which is like a chestnut light brown, and putting this in the outer corners in the crease, making a winged shape. Next, using this darker brown and putting it in the outer corners in the crease, but only the outer corners. Then using the Warrior 2 palette for this darker brown shade, putting this in the outer corners, and then extending that into the crease area, creating a rounded shape. Then using black to fill in the eyelid area and blending into the dark brown. Then extending the black underneath the eye. Then we'll be using a light gold sparkly shade as a highlight underneath the eyebrows. Using this as a highlight underneath the eyebrows and putting this over all the places we put the light brown. Then filling in the waterline with black. And using mascara and false lashes to finish the look. And that completes this brown and gold smoky eye makeup look. I like using brown and gold together and think they make a really pretty dark glam look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below, and thank you guys so much for watching.